Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing so well. What about you?
Yes, I am also doing great. My day is starting from you, so it will be definitely good.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. And okay. So before we delve into this conversation, I want that we should introduce each other, right? I mean ourselves, right?
Yes, we are meeting first time. If we know something about each other, so it will easily to continue our conversation. So now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Chandrakala Verma, and I am from Chhattisgarh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I am pursuing graduation. Apart from my study, I go to private school for teaching and for improving my speaking skill. I have a YouTube channel, and if I talk about my hobbies, so I like listening song, reading books, and traveling new places. These all are my hobbies. So that's all about me. And thank you for asking me. Okay.
Mm. Great. Glad to hear from you that you are managing, you are doing everything, and you are studying also, you are working also. Fine. So, if I talk about myself, so my name is Sakshi Chauhan, and I'm from Gwalior, MP. If I talk about my studies, so I have completed my master's. Right now, I'm a PhD scholar. And apart from that, I'm also working as a teacher, as a private teacher, but I'm running my own coaching classes. So, as you know, this summer vacation is going on. So, this 1 or 2 months, it's completely closed. And
Yes.
yes, that's all about me. Yeah, I have also my YouTube channel, so where I upload these kind of conversational videos.
Yes, you are doing great job, ma'am. You are a student, you are teaching, and you have your own coaching center. Wow, that's great. Ma'am, so as you said that you have coaching center, so may I know how did you think about coaching center and how will you? Means how did you start your coaching center? Please tell me because I also want to open my coaching center. That's why.
Okay. So first of all, I started teaching in a school after completion of my 12th standard when I was in my first year. So I started teaching in one school, and after 1 year or 2 year, I just started teaching student at home. We can say tuition kind of thing. So I started doing that, and gradually I felt that okay, I can continue this, and students were very interested to take tuitions for me. Then I searched one place where I was searching one place where I
Yes.
can start my own coaching classes. So, and then there is a one place, actually I was looking that place in any big area like market kind of thing. Then my mother told me, okay, why don't you start in there also. So in our house there is a one separate coaching class kind of room, so where I started doing this, and gradually it was working. And nowadays actually I'm working 4 to 5 sessions or 4 to 5 back-to-back sessions. And after that I left my school. I just started working on my coaching.
Yes. So when you started your coaching center, so is means do did you have anyone at that time with whom you can manage all these things?
No, I was alone. Only they were forcing me, like my mother and my family, they were forcing me that you are devoting your 4 to 5 hour in school, and you are not getting that much amount of money. And that the same amount of money I was making only in teaching 1 hour or 2 hour. Then they said, "Oh, you should do something. You should work on your only coaching. That will be helpful. That will be worth it, because there you are spending 4 to 5 hours, and that 4 to 5 hours and my coaching class 2 hours, that is the equal money I was making,
Yes.
right? So I
You are
was telling about, yeah,
yes,
am
yes,
I audible right now?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So yeah, I was telling about my coaching. So that's how I started, and I was alone that time. They were forcing me, but I was thinking that, if I start my coaching and if didn't work, then what will happen? So they said, no problem. You're not wasting too much. You are not investing too much money in this, right? People, when it comes to starting any business, so people invest big amount of money. right? So you are spending very less money, because only few money I spend there for advertisement, for board and everything. So,
Okay.
but yeah, it was a
When
nice
have
decision.
you started your coaching center? Since when?
When okay, in 2018 I started.
Oh, that's great. So, and which subject do you teach, ma'am?
Actually, as I told you that I'm teaching junior students, so summer vacation is going on. Nursery to ninth standard, and but now I have planned to you know engross this thing, and I want to just try to do something better. Like maybe I will start from for only one subject, or let's see what will happen.
Yes, yes. So, may I know how much money have you earned through your coaching center?
I can say yes if the person they are working in 8 to 10 hour, and like my friends they are working 8 to 10 hour, and the same amount of money I'm making in like 4 to 5 hour, and there is no pressure. That's completely my work, my place. I can do
Yes.
as I want.
If we have some ability, if we can teach students, so we can, I think that we must open a coaching center. I am also thinking about this because I go to school for teaching, so I know that how to teach a student. And some of my village students go too far from for coaching purpose. So after looking those students, I think that if in my village there is a coaching center, they should not go outside from my village. So I am thinking that yes, I will be open a center.
Yes, definitely you should start. So which classes are you teaching nowadays?
I teach 3 to 6 class, but I
Oh,
can teach till 12th.
oh, great. So definitely you should start your coaching classes, and that's really worth it, I would say.
Yes, yes.
Teaching is a
So
really good
ma'am,
topic.
now can we discuss about this language, English language? How is your learning journey? Why you are learning English language?
Definitely. I would love to share everything. And English is a language completely. And until we speak this language, we feel it's quite difficult, right? But when it comes to learning, when it comes to consuming the content, when it comes to talking with people, so no, that's really amazing. But if you are good only, then you will enjoy. But if there is a fear inside, definitely you will not enjoy.
Yes, English is just a language, but we think that this is a very difficult language we cannot learn. But as soon as we start speaking English language, we think that this language is easy for learning. And yes, I am sure that this language is not very much tough that we think.
Yes, yes. So how many hours do you spend in learning English?
Most of the time when I get free time, I try to connect with a co-learner. Yes, I can say that 1 hour daily I give particular this language.
Okay. 1 hour every day, right?
Sometimes I watch, yes, sometimes I watch videos. So
Mhm.
ma'am, you are from MP Gwalior, so I think you must know Persona Institute for English, that institute situated in MP.
Yes, I heard. And even here also there are a lot of coachings and institutes.
Oh, so do you think that for learning English language, we need to join any coaching center, or we can learn through our mobile? What do you think about it?
Yes, it depends. It depends person to person, I feel. And both the mode is good, because some people they have joined coaching classes and then they are perfect. Some people like they are not joining any coaching classes, still they can learn. Like if I talk about ourselves, right? So we can speak. I'm not saying that okay, I'm very much good and I'm best in this thing. No, but still I can speak. So it's big deal for me. So
Yes.
not only me, same like me, there are so many person in my acquaintance, I know them, they didn't join any coaching classes but still they are speaking so well, right? So it completely depends on you, that how you are dealing with the situation and how you are thinking about it, right? There
Yes.
is, and if we talk about learning anything, so we have internet. With the help of internet we can learn anything by sitting at home.
Everything is available
Same
on
goes,
mobile.
yeah, same goes with English also. I never
Yes.
joined. Actually, I thought a lot in when I was in my college. So my friends used to say we should start. We should, learn English. We should speak English. It happens when you are in college or when you are a Hindi medium student. And we used to feel that we should also learn English. We should also, okay. Then how can we learn? Because I'm talking about. I think 2016, 17. That time, yeah, phone was there, but we didn't had phone that time. So we were thinking, what should we do, where we can learn, and then we used to, find out. Okay, this coaching class, okay, they are charging that much amount of money. This coaching classes, they are charging that much amount of money. So
Yes.
eventually we thought, no, money is, 18,000, 20,000. This was the amount that time.
Yes.
Even right now it's a big amount, I can say. So
Yes.
it was not easy, as a middle class student, and you have your studies, you have your another expenses also, and just spending 20, 30,000 for 3, 4 months course, that was not easy, not convenient for us. So
Yes. If we have mobile, so I think that if we have mobile and if we are joining in any coaching center, so this is the wasting of our time and our money, because there is no need to join any coaching center because everything is available on mobile. So I think that we can easily learn through our mobile. But for
hmm,
when it comes to skill development, I think that we must join any coaching center for skill development.
right, right, I do agree with this point, because you can learn anything by sitting at home, but when it comes to skill, and as you told about me this, so when you go to outside, when you have people in your surrounding, then you will definitely work, and you will definitely be so conscious how you are speaking, how your hands are working, how you are standing, how you are sitting. But as you are learning from your phone, so you, anytime, you are not focusing on your body posture, your skills, right, your body language. So that's the drawback, I would say. And one more thing I want to add here, because as you're learning alone, so if you're feeling lazy, if you want to do something, you will just stop this work, you will start doing that, right?
Yes.
And as you are in your coaching class, you have to do it anyhow, irrespective of your work, irrespective of the family members is calling you, your friends are calling you, no matter. You have to finish your work, you have to finish your studies, only then you can do next work. So
Yes, yes. So, do you enjoy while teaching in coaching center? Because sometimes something will happen in our life. Sometimes we start feeling boring, we start feeling upset. So, have you ever felt like this?
of course, it's human tendency, and everyone face this situation. But I would say that teaching is a good thing, and it makes me so happy, because whenever, no matter how sad you are, you are going through with the adversities, but still when you are teaching, you have your student, and so you forget everything. I literally enjoy. Yeah,
Yes,
sometimes exceptions are always there. Sometimes it happens. We don't want to do anything. We don't want to even teach. We really don't want to do anything, right? So that is the exceptions. But most of the time, I try to control myself. No matter how much sad I am, how much angry I am, I have to do my work. That's my duty.
yes, yes. It's great, and we must do like this. We work. We love our work, whatever we are doing.
Yes, yes. Okay. So told sorry, you told me that you like to listen to music also. So may I know which kind of music do you like, and which one is your favorite song?
I like listening old music, not new
Oh.
music.
Do you listen to
Yes,
English song also?
sometimes I listen English song, but most of the time I listen Hindi song. Some
Hindi. Okay.
songs, there are 4 or 5 songs that is my favorite song. I always listen those all music, those all songs when I feel upset, when I feel loose. So I
Mhm.
listen, and
Okay.
I can see that that is a motivational type of song, UPSC motivational like. So
Mhm.
I listen only of UPSC motivational song,
Yes.
and
Can
apart from that music, I do not like listen anything.
okay. So can you tell me some name of songs? I mean, which kind of song do you? So either I feel that it might be helpful for me also or for others.
Yes, yes, I would like to say you please listen that song, and the song name is Teri Hi Tamanna. Have you heard about this? That song is like a motivational song. I think that this is a motivational song for me. After listening this song, I feel very confident. That's why, and I watch these songs in UPSC motivational videos
Mm-hmm.
that is available on there, so I listen this song. Have you heard about this?
Song I cannot. Maybe I've heard this song, but this moment I'm not able to recall because I'm not indulged into music. Yes, I like to listen to spiritual music and motivational song like Dangal movie song and yeah, a few names. But when it comes to recalling, I forget because frequently I'm not listening to. Really,
Yes,
when
yes.
because most of the time I'm indulged into listening to podcast and another things, speeches like Vikas Devikirti sir. So he's one of my
Yes,
favorites.
I also listen because their speech related in UPSC exam. I like them speech, and sometimes I listen. Um, वो क्या नाम सोनू शर्मा sir.
Yes, Sonu Sharma. Earlier I used to listen to Vivek Bindra and one more
Now,
name I
now have
Vardhan
you
Vardhan
have
Rai.
have you listened Vivek Bindra sir or not?
Yes, but the controversy is going on between
Yes,
Sandeep sir and
I'm asking you. I listen
yes,
only Jayavardhan Singh. I think his name.
Harshvardhan.
Yes, yes. I also listen them because
Hmm.
they speak very right things that is related in our life, and we must focus on their speech.
Hmm. Yeah, practical thing. He talks about practically that you can implement on yourself, on your life also. And Sonu
Yes,
Samar also has shared, once he shared one thing that I can share right now. So he said, whenever you're not able to control your mind and your brain, try to do some little things. You can do okay. You can ask yourself, okay, for next 1 hour, I will not open my WhatsApp. If you're standing on the balcony, you can say yourself, okay, I will not see down. These things, nothing will happen, but you will able to control yourself. So sometime what I do when I feel I'm just completely losing my control, and as the moment I want, I have to do this thing. So
yes, yes,
sometimes I do this. I ask myself, okay, for this for 1 hour I will not open my WhatsApp. Okay, if I open, sometime I start to checking status again and again. Okay, if I open, I will not check status. And